Hello, my name is Jacob. Normally I shoot automotive videos, but at the moment I don't have any laptop. Well, in the last video you had the chance to see me taking a delivery of a new laptop, and today is the unboxing time. So I desperately needed a better laptop for video editing. So I've decided along the specs that the laptop that's inside here will do the job quite right. It's a gaming laptop as well, in all honesty, so once I get bored or once I finish my job, I can have some good time as well. So, shall we unbox it? I believe so. So, I mean, take the wrapper off, or whatever you want to call it. So this might be a bit lengthy process. Oh, it's actually quite easy. Okay. I'm led to believe that the box is quite heavy, but the laptop itself should have only around 2 and a bit kilos. So, as you can see along the packaging, well, it was a little bit bashed on the transport, so once I open it, I'll be all fine. So, just need to break the seal, which I don't know how to do. Don't have anything on me. I should have taken a knife or something. So I'll be just a little bit. Oh, okay. I think I broke it now. Yeah, there you go. So it's called Predator. It's made by Acer, and this model is a Triton 300. It's got an i7 Intel Core processor, or CPU if you want to call it, and quite a decent graphic card as well. So I'm gonna take it out of the box, and then once I'm set up, I'm gonna go through all the specs totally separately. So, oh, that's quite heavy. I think the battery is still inside. Oh yes. Okay. So it's got quite a nice box, doesn't it? They even left me a letter here. That's really nice of Acer. And in the letter we've got the setup guide and a quick user guide. It actually looks really nice, you know. I never had that in a laptop before. Probably because I haven't bought one for ages. And okay, so now the box is upside down. So if I take the polystyrene off, well, my dog will love it. And this side, it's still in a separate box, so it's actually good packaging for the transport, you know. And eventually I could get in. Oh, it's got stickers on it again with the seals. So okay. Oh, let me just go and get car keys. It's the easiest way, isn't it? Okay. Here's one sticker and a second sticker. Okay. Oh, still holds. Still holds on some sides. Well, that looks absolutely amazing. So how do we get in? So I just pull this. Yeah. Suck it up a little bit here. Let's make it more efficient. Okay, now I believe I need to take this laptop out of this wallet, which you do by unsticking it here and open it this way. the end product. So we've got a Acer Predator with all metal body, with loads of cooling here, which is very important for laptops, especially for video editing. An extra cooling here, and quite nice overall design, quite like that. So let me get everything set up, and then we can run through some specs.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.